Hello everyone. We are going to see about how to interface IR based proximity sensor with Raspberry Pi. I am having a proximity sensor which is manufactured by Sharp Electronics. It is having range of 10 centimeter to 80 centimeter. When a movement detects between 10 centimeter to 80 centimeter from this sensor, it will generate analog output. This can be detected in Raspberry Pi and we can take any corrective action in Raspberry Pi. This sensor is having 3 pins. Red color wire indicates 5 volt input power. Black color wire indicates ground terminal. Yellow color wire indicates analog output. Using Raspberry Pi, we can't get exact distance from this sensor because Raspberry Pi is not having inbuilt ADC. If you use separate ADC chip to convert analog output of this sensor into digital output, you can process it in Raspberry Pi. Here we are detecting whether movement is or not. So we can configure it as motion sensor in Raspberry Pi and we'll check whether motion is there or not. Let's check how to interface this sensor with Raspberry Pi. It is analog output of sensor. I am interfacing it in BCM17 of Raspberry Pi. It is ground pin. I am connecting it as ground pin of Raspberry Pi. This one is V in of sensor. I am connecting it as 5 volt of Raspberry Pi. Our connections are over. Hello everyone. Let's see how to interface proximity sensor or motion sensor with Raspberry Pi. I am going to write a code for that. Let's start. I am importing motion sensor module from GPIO 0 library. I am creating an object with name SEN. I am going to interface the motion sensor output pin at BCM17 pin of Raspberry Pi. So I am mentioning 17 here. I am waiting for the motion signal from the sensor. If the motion is detected, we will print motion detected. Let's run the code. I am running motion sensor code. When the motion is detected, it will print motion detected. This is the output shell where we will print motion detection. I am going to run this program. Currently it's running our code. I am running the motion sensor code. Now it's running our code, but it's not detected any motion. I am going to give some motion on our sensor. The output shell of Python IDE will print motion detected. I gave one motion on our sensor. It's printed motion detected. That is our output.